Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2020 Rockwood Ultralight 2906RS. This 35-foot, 2-inch travel trailer weighs 7,981 pounds. It has 3 slides, including a wardrobe slide, which you see here, and 2 opposing slides in the rear living area. It sleeps 5. As you've already seen, this comes with a power tongue jack. It also has a 15K ducted AC upgrade, an outdoor kitchen, and a water purifier. This travel trailer MSRPs at $46,973, but is available at the Zoomers low price of $33,270. It is as little as $272 a month with Zoomers hassle-free on-site financing. Here we see the opposing slides and just a little bit of the outdoor kitchen. Above the outdoor kitchen you can see the outdoor speakers and the exterior light. You have a cabinet, a tall outdoor refrigerator, an outlet, and a right here. Now let's go ahead and make our way to the entrance. You'll notice we have a triple step, solid step. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Immediately when we're inside, you'll notice the wood look floor and the paneling on the refrigerator. Gives this travel trailer a nice rustic feel. Here we have our dinette that of course can be used as a sleeping area and storage underneath. To the left of our entertainment area, we have a small cabinet here that can be used for a pantry or to store videos, whatever you want to bring on your camping trip. In our entertainment area, we have our TV, soundbar, and fireplace. Seating in these nice big windows at the rear of our camper. Directly across from our TV, we have theater seating. These trays can be swiveled or removed, which is a nice feature to have. We have a refrigerator, a cabinetry, a backsplash for both our stove and our sink. We have a glass cover for our 3-burner cooktop. There we go. And our oven. And there's a nice 2-basin sink right here. We have a 1.3 cubic foot built-in microwave, which holds up to an 11-inch size dinner plate. So this camper actually has 2 countertop extensions. We have one right here. You also have one that slides out, which is much bigger than most countertop extensions. So you can store things over here, cook over here, and it creates this nice little kitchen area. And of course, you can take this down. It's a little bit hard to do holding a phone. And then just slide this in and have more space to walk around. On our way to the front bedroom, we go past the restroom. That foot flush toilet. Here we have our sliding door, stand-up shower with skylight, our sink, mirrored medicine cabinet. Here's our wardrobe slide here. We have end tables on either side of the bed, as well as overhead cabinetry. We have a TV backer right here. Let's go ahead and look at the rear of the camper one last time. Feel free to apply for financing online or see more pictures online. Always look at this camper and more at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.